We're also dealing with what is going to be a late week snow setup. Yeah, and we're talking perhaps some areas see not just rain, but snow, maybe a mix, and I think we'll see a larger coverage of snow. So it may not be heavy snow, but certainly something that we're watching with our potential for a nor'easter to develop. So let's talk a little bit more about this and get in depth with it. I want to break down a quick little timeline here for you. Things start off Wednesday morning in the UP of Michigan. So basically, it's a big chunk of energy moving in from Canada. It's along a trough, and what will happen is in that trough, as that area of cooler air pools further toward the south, being guided by that cold front, we'll see at the base of that trough an area of low pressure develop, or at the base of that cold front, here's that developing low. And this thing starts to strengthen through Thursday morning and eventually Thursday afternoon, getting its act together. And what's that mean? That means that we have a greater chance Thursday and on Friday for seeing snow breakout. And note those areas, those places that right now we're tracking those ongoing snow squall warnings in parts of West Virginia right now. By the time we get to Thursday, we could be tracking even more snow. So, Haley, this thing rides up the I-95 corridor, Washington, D.C., New York City, and perhaps even Boston, getting in on the action. At this point, we just kind of follow our model trends. We're still, 4 to 5 days out?
Right.
I think it's a little too soon to start putting specifics in terms of like how much snow. Yesterday, for example, our forecasts were calling for like nearly 15 to 20 inches. Today, I mean, it's not like an inch.
I know. It's so crazy, the flip-flop that happens this far out, especially when it comes to snow forecasting. I would say with a severe weather event, we have a gauge on will it or won't it. Much further out, probably within a week window, we know to a given extent. Snow, it's really like 2-3 days, especially when it's a nor'easter. And if you're looking at the I-95, because the I-95, it is not easy to get snow here. I moved here thinking it would be snowy all the time. And I was wrong.
Yeah.
and diving deeper into the meteorology behind it, we need that cold air. When you have a low that tracks too close to the coastline, it brings in the warmer air with that warm front, tracks too far away, we just get a light dusting. It has to hit just right.
Yeah, it's literally called, it's a Goldilocks zone that we have to hit. It's a benchmark, and it's literally called the benchmark, and you're going to do a deep dive on this in just a moment. But if it doesn't hit that benchmark, then we don't see either the overperformance of the snow, which we would, if you want snow, you want to hit that benchmark or not. So this is a system that we're going to be watching. Stick with us, especially on Tuesday. We're thinking that's the time that we'll start to lay down some numbers.
Yeah.